All right, guys. Hopefully, you guys are ready for some heart work today. Not just artwork, but some heart work. The first thing we're going to do is on your piece of paper, we're going to practice drawing some hearts. Okay. So let's do this before we begin. Let's write our name up here in the corner. So I'm just going to write Mr. Valesky up here. Okay. And down here we're going to do some practice. Our other artwork, our finished artwork, is going to come on this side. So let's practice drawing some hearts first of all. The first one I'm going to do is a pretty big one in the middle so you guys can all see it. And I want you guys to practice with a pencil, and then later on we'll do some work with our oil pastels as we finish it up. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do with the heart is you're going to draw like an M. So two humps here. So I'm going to start right here. Don't do it yet. Like this and like this. Okay. So it's kind of like an M to get started. To draw the bottom of the heart, we're going to do a V. So the V gets connected down here. So I start here, I come down, make sure it's in the middle, and then I come back up over here to make my heart. And that's a really fun and easy way to do a heart. Let's practice again. We're going to go like this, and this, okay. An M, and then we're going to do a V. Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to practice drawing a few more. I'm going to set a timer and have you guys practice all over your page. Alright, now that you're done, we're going to turn it over and we're going to do our finished artwork, and we're going to try to fill it up with a bunch of hearts. Okay? So I'm going to start over here. Do some that are big, some that are small, and some that maybe are medium-sized. We might even have some that overlap or behind them, so watch this one. Oh, I ran out of space, so I'm going to have this one go behind it. I think I'm going to do a few more over here. Maybe a tiny one here. They might even run off the page. Once you fill up your area, you're going to move over to the oil pastel, and we're going to be outlining it nice and dark with our oil pastels. On the inside, I want you to start working with some different line designs. So you can draw spirals, you can draw zigzags, any types of lines to fill in your hearts. Once you have it filled in, we're going to add some primary colors to our work. And today we're going to use some tissue paper to do that. Okay? This is special tissue paper because there's paint inside of the paper. And when you get it wet, the paint comes off. Okay? So at your table you're going to have some water and a brush. Okay? So I'm going to be adding it on top of this whole work. First thing I want to do is I want to get it a little bit wet, so I'm going to go right here, add some water to this heart, and I'm going to start laying down some of these tissue papers right on top. Once you put them down, then you can kind of blend them together. You'll notice that the colors start to come out of the tissue paper, but you can see through the tissue paper. It's kind of cool. I'm going to lay one right on top of this. Look at that. This might make some orange here, I bet. Maybe even put a blue on top of that one. Let the colors blend and let the colors mix. Okay. Maybe I put another yellow one over here. Alright guys, so what you'll do is I want you to fill up with all these hearts. You can draw stuff on the outside and see if you can make some secondary colors like green, orange, and even maybe purple you can get in there as well. Alright guys, good luck with your heart work today.